If your transmission has started shifting hard, hesitating between gears, or giving you that uncomfortable jerk every time it changes speed, you might assume the worst. Maybe you think the transmission is failing and a massive repair bill is waiting for you. But before you start shopping for a replacement transmission, there is one simple thing worth checking. The transmission fluid. Transmission fluid does far more than simply lubricate moving parts. It helps transfer hydraulic pressure, control shift timing, reduce friction, carry heat away from internal components, and keep valves and passages operating properly. When that fluid becomes dirty, degraded, low, or contaminated, the transmission may begin behaving differently. That is where inexpensive transmission fluid additives and conditioners sometimes enter the picture. Some products cost only a few dollars and are designed to clean deposits, condition seals, or modify the fluid's friction characteristics. But here's the important part. There is no universal $3 fluid that can repair every rough shifting transmission. If the problem is caused by worn clutches, damaged gears, a failing solenoid, low fluid, or mechanical damage, an additive will not magically rebuild the transmission. So why do some people report smoother shifting after using a fluid treatment? The answer starts with hydraulic pressure. Inside an automatic transmission, fluid is constantly being pushed through narrow passages and controlled by valves and solenoids. These components determine when and how firmly the transmission changes gears. If the fluid is old and heavily contaminated, deposits can interfere with the movement of valves. A valve that does not move freely can affect hydraulic pressure and shift timing. Imagine trying to operate a precision hydraulic system with thick, dirty fluid flowing through tiny passages. Everything may still function, but it may not function as smoothly as it should. Fresh, correct specification transmission fluid can sometimes restore proper hydraulic behavior when fluid condition is part of the problem. Certain conditioners are also formulated to help with seal conditioning and friction behavior that can potentially reduce symptoms such as harsh engagement or delayed shifting when the underlying issue is relatively minor. But there is another factor many drivers overlook. Using the correct fluid matters more than using a cheap additive. Automatic transmissions are engineered around specific fluid formulations. Different transmissions can require very different friction characteristics, viscosity ranges, additive packages, and specifications. Using the wrong fluid can actually make shifting worse or cause damage. That means you should never choose a transmission additive simply because someone online says it works for every vehicle. Check the owner's manual and the transmission manufacturer's requirements first. Now let's talk about one of the most common causes of rough shifting. Neglected fluid. Transmission fluid doesn't last forever. Heat, friction, oxidation, and contamination gradually change its properties. As the fluid ages, its ability to perform its intended job can decline. In some transmissions, clutch material and other microscopic debris can accumulate in the fluid and filter. This doesn't automatically mean the transmission is failing. It means the fluid should be evaluated. The first step is simple. Determine whether your vehicle actually allows you to check the fluid yourself. Some modern transmissions don't have a traditional dipstick and require a specific procedure to verify fluid level. If your vehicle does have a dipstick, inspect the fluid according to the manufacturer's instructions. Look at its condition and check for unusual smells or obvious contamination. However, don't rely on color alone. Modern transmission fluids can have different colors depending on their formulation, and color by itself is not a reliable diagnosis. The second step is checking for leaks. A transmission that is slightly low on fluid can behave very differently from one that has the correct level. Low fluid can allow the transmission pump to draw insufficient fluid, potentially affecting hydraulic pressure and shift quality. Look underneath the vehicle for signs of fluid leakage, but remember that identifying the exact source may require professional inspection. Now here's where the inexpensive fluid idea becomes interesting. If the transmission is mechanically healthy and the shifting problem is related to degraded fluid or minor deposits, replacing the fluid with the manufacturer's specified product may improve operation. In some cases, a compatible conditioner may also provide a noticeable change. But if the transmission is already suffering from severe internal wear, slipping, burning smells, metal contamination, or major pressure problems, pouring in an additive is not a repair. Think of it this way. If a door hinge is dirty and stiff, lubrication may make it operate smoothly again. But if the hinge is broken, adding lubricant won't rebuild it. The same principle applies to transmissions. There is also a common misconception that a fluid additive can permanently fix worn clutch packs. It cannot. Automatic transmissions contain numerous precision components, including clutch packs, planetary gear sets, pumps, valves, solenoids, bearings, and seals. When one of these components becomes severely worn or damaged, mechanical repair may be necessary. Another important consideration is transmission servicing itself. Some vehicles respond well to a conventional fluid and filter service. Others have specific service procedures. A transmission should not automatically be subjected to an aggressive flush simply because it shifts poorly. The correct procedure depends on the vehicle and transmission design. This is why the smartest approach isn't to search for a miracle bottle. The smarter approach is to diagnose the symptom. Is the transmission shifting hard only when cold? Does the problem happen after the vehicle warms up? Is there a delay when selecting drive or reverse? Does it slip between gears? Is there a warning light? Are the engine RPMs rising without the vehicle accelerating normally? Each symptom can point toward a different cause. For example, a harsh shift could involve fluid condition, pressure control, a solenoid, sensor information, or adaptation values. A delayed engagement could have completely different causes. Slipping can be far more serious because it may indicate clutch or pressure problems. That's why a cheap additive should be viewed as a potential maintenance product, not a guaranteed transmission repair. And here's the part that could save you the most money. Before spending thousands of dollars on a replacement transmission, have the basic things checked first. Fluid level, correct fluid specification, leaks, diagnostic trouble codes, and overall transmission behavior. Sometimes the problem really is something relatively simple. Sometimes it isn't. The goal is to find out which situation you're dealing with before spending money. If you decide to use a transmission conditioner, make sure the product is explicitly compatible with your transmission and follow the manufacturer's dosage instructions. More is not better. Adding excessive amounts can alter the fluid's properties in ways the transmission wasn't designed for. And never use a product simply because it claims to make any transmission shift like new. No additive can overcome severe mechanical wear. But when rough shifting is caused by old or degraded fluid, minor contamination, or fluid-related friction characteristics, proper fluid service can sometimes make a surprisingly noticeable difference. So the real secret isn't that a magical $3 bottle can rebuild a transmission. The real lesson is much more practical. Transmission fluid is part of the transmission's hydraulic control system, and maintaining the correct fluid at the correct level and specification can have a major effect on shift quality. Before assuming your transmission needs a $3,000 repair, start with the basics. Check the fluid, check the level, check for leaks, check the vehicle's service requirements, and diagnose the actual cause of the rough shifting. Because sometimes the difference between a transmission that feels terrible and one that shifts properly isn't a mysterious mechanic's secret. It's simply proper maintenance done Before a small problem becomes an expensive one, hydraulic pressure is one of the most important elements controlling how an automatic transmission shifts. Inside the transmission, fluid is not simply sitting around lubricating gears. It is actively moving through passages, valves, solenoids, and channels to create the pressure needed to apply clutches and bands at precisely the right moment. When that pressure is correct, gear changes can feel smooth and controlled. When pressure becomes inconsistent, too low, too high, or delayed, the driver may notice harsh shifts, delayed engagement, slipping, hesitation, or a noticeable bump when the transmission changes gears. This is why the condition and specification of transmission fluid can have such a significant influence on shift quality. Transmission fluid gradually changes as it is exposed to heat, friction, pressure, and repeated operating cycles. Over time, the fluid's chemical properties can deteriorate while microscopic contaminants can accumulate inside the transmission. These contaminants may circulate through hydraulic passages and eventually contribute to deposits around precision components. Modern automatic transmissions depend on very small clearances, meaning even relatively small amounts of contamination can potentially affect how smoothly certain valves operate. If a valve begins sticking or responding slowly, hydraulic pressure may not be delivered exactly when the transmission control system expects it. Fluid conditioning is intended to address some of these fluid-related problems. Certain transmission fluid conditioners contain specialized additives designed to help maintain fluid properties, improve lubrication, reduce friction, or condition certain seals. When compatible with the specific transmission, these products may sometimes improve shift feel when the underlying issue is related to fluid condition rather than serious mechanical damage. However, a conditioner should never be treated as a universal repair product. The transmission manufacturer's required fluid specification should always come first, because every transmission is designed around particular friction characteristics, viscosity requirements, and additive chemistry. One reason fresh or properly conditioned fluid can affect shifting is its relationship with hydraulic pressure. The transmission pump draws fluid from the transmission pan and sends it through the hydraulic system. That pressure is then regulated and directed to different circuits. Solenoids and valves control where the fluid goes and how much pressure reaches specific components. During a gear change, the transmission must release one clutch while applying another in a carefully controlled sequence. If the fluid does not behave as intended, the transition can become too aggressive or too slow. The driver may experience this as a hard shift or hesitation. Temperature also plays an important role. Transmission fluid becomes thinner as it heats up and behaves differently when cold. The transmission's hydraulic system is engineered to account for these changes. When fluid has degraded significantly, however, its performance under different temperatures may become less predictable. A transmission that shifts acceptably when cold might begin shifting harshly after reaching operating temperature. Conversely, a vehicle might experience delayed or firm shifts during cold starts. These patterns can provide useful information during diagnosis. Fluid level is equally important. Even a high-quality fluid cannot perform correctly if the transmission does not contain the proper amount. Too little fluid can cause the pump to struggle to maintain consistent hydraulic supply, while excessive fluid can also create problems under certain conditions. Some modern transmissions require a very specific procedure for checking fluid level, including a particular temperature range and vehicle position. For that reason, checking the fluid should always follow the manufacturer's procedure rather than relying on a universal method. The filter can also influence hydraulic performance. Many automatic transmissions use a filter or screen designed to prevent contaminants from circulating through sensitive components. As debris accumulates, the filter can become restricted. Reduced fluid flow can affect the pump and hydraulic system, potentially contributing to poor shift behavior. A proper service may involve replacing the filter where applicable and using the exact fluid specified for the transmission. Another important point is that additives cannot repair physical wear. If clutch packs are badly worn, a pump is damaged, a solenoid has electrically failed, or internal components are physically damaged, fluid conditioning cannot restore those parts to their original condition. In such cases, attempting multiple additives may only delay proper diagnosis. Symptoms such as persistent slipping, severe engagement delays, metal particles in the fluid, burning odors, or repeated transmission fault codes should be taken seriously. When the transmission is mechanically healthy and the problem is related to fluid condition, however, proper fluid maintenance can make a noticeable difference. The key is compatibility. A product that works well in one transmission may not be appropriate for another. Some transmissions use specialized fluids with very specific friction modifiers, and changing those characteristics can interfere with the way the transmission's clutch packs engage. This is why the best approach is to start with the manufacturer's fluid specification and service procedure. If an additive is considered, its label should specifically indicate compatibility with the transmission. The correct quantity should be used, and it should never be assumed that adding more will produce a stronger result. Transmission systems are precision hydraulic machines, and changing the chemistry of the fluid beyond its intended range can create additional problems. Hydraulic pressure and fluid conditioning are therefore closely connected to transmission performance. Clean, correctly specified fluid provides the hydraulic system with the operating environment it was designed to use. When fluid condition, level, and filtration are properly maintained, valves and solenoids have a better chance of controlling pressure accurately, allowing clutch engagement and gear changes to occur smoothly. The important distinction is understanding whether rough shifting is actually fluid related or whether it is a symptom of a deeper mechanical or electronic problem.